Like, sit down, come on.
Old Rag hike. So, probably won't believe this, but when we started the hike, it was almost blue skies. Now, it's snowing, woo! And we started the hike with brown dirt. Now it's white dirt. Hiking with my bud. And then there's, my parents are back there, taking their time with some other giant group. This is about it. We're here, doing Old Rag. It's really nice, everything's white. And it's getting whiter and whiter as we go. So it looks really cool. So, we're a bit higher now. And the higher we go, the whiter it gets. Like really, it's so white now. It's really cool looking. My gloves in the way.
I think that's the same mechanic with people. The higher you get, the whiter you get.
Shut the fuck up.
The whiter you act.
So yeah, it's real nice. Parents finally caught up with us. Watch them coming. Tracks are all white. Look at this pro hiker going at it strong. Look at him go. This challenging hike. And then there's like the invisible human back there.
Yeah.
Wearing a white
She's in
jacket.
She looks like
Camouflage.
a tree, white up there, and the bottom is brown, so she can blend in, Guys, you want to take off something?
No, we're good.
I shedded my hat and gloves. They're in my pocket.
Those guys coming behind us, they're all in t-shirts now.
Yeah, couldn't I wear my chubbies and tank top?
Stefan, I need to get one of those waters.
Yeah, sure. 1 second. I'm just filming until we turn here. There's a tent over there. There's a tent and people. Look.
Yeah?
There's a tent and people.
Yeah, they camped since last night. Yeah.
Right over there. I stopped for you and you just walked past me.
No.
We're back. We hiked for a good 20 minutes now. And talking to some people coming back down.
It's not been 20 minutes. It's been more than 20 minutes.
Around 20, sometime above 20 minutes. How's that sound? And we just walked by some people coming back down and told us we're nowhere near the top. So, kind of sucks. It looks like we're pretty high. It's snowing.
I know, I'm high.
It looks super dope.
I'm dope.
Shut up. And it's just how it is.
It's the way of the world.
So, it's a nice hike. Pretty. With the snow, it looks so nice. All the treetops are white. You can see the white treetops. And they're closer this time. Or maybe we just slow down. It's getting a bit slippery. You can my feet are slipping. But yeah. We're higher. And the snow on this tree looks dope. Looks really cool. There's a lot of more snow now. Everything's getting whiter and whiter. It's honestly so cool. The snow's falling. You're hiking through snow. It's pretty cool. You're just going ooh, break time is for him.
It's break time for you too.
I guess it's a break. Making a video. You guys are gonna say I'm vlogging, but I don't know. It's nice. Really nice. We're almost halfway there. Yay. But yeah, we're just waiting here for the others to catch up.
Drop it.
Snowball. Almost just dropped the camera. Wait, it's upside down. Better now. So yeah, we're hiking.
Take it.
We're getting closer, I guess. I hope. Doesn't seem like it, but it's pretty snowy. No, we're gonna save it. When we get to the top, we're gonna roll it down and see how big it gets.
Okay. You do that.
And here's the snowball we made. We've been gradually growing it from like a snowflake to a ball now.
Yep.
Today.
I'm good.
So, yeah, we're going up, enjoying the scenery. Nice view. You see white and trees. Nothing else.
More rocks. A lot more rocks.
There's more rocks. Ooh, look, this is a nice place.
Yeah, it's a nice place to sit.
Really nice view. You can like look up. It's a resting area, I guess. I guess my parents aren't resting, but still vlogging. You know, just keeping it chill. Not doing much. You know, keeping it chill. You know, looking around, looking at the places. It's very white. Look at the snow. I think it's like pretty good. Maybe there's half an inch of snow right now, which is nice. Which is cool. P E pen. It's my favorite word, Ryan. So yeah, we're just chilling. And get back to hiking now. Let's go. No, you should write the Bible on that. Wonderful. Wonderful art.
This place on the map, and then after you get to that place, you need to go to the basement. I'm not gonna explain where it is, because if you know, basic basement physics, it's normally at the bottom of the house.
We're at a pretty technical part of the hike where I'm filming with my hands, which is extra stupid. But you know, it's no fun if it's not stupid, guys. Come on. Yeah, we're just chilling, going up.
Wait. I need to put on my gloves.
Ryan, hold the camera. Ready? You keep it filming. Put the snowball here. Taking off my backpack. I'm gonna make a snow angel.
I need to grab my gloves though. Oh, fine.
For snow angel.
Oh, my water! Agua, no!
I'm not even gonna pick it up.
Yay! Snow angel! Looks like a KKK clan member. You wanna come up here?
That's some shit. I do, but I don't have any gloves on.
Give me the camera. Here, get your gloves on, let's go.
You wanna go back up? No scrubber bag.
Huh? You want one or no?
No.
You're not gonna do one? Okay. That's it. I made my snow angel. You guys better see it. Like right here. Get good angles, like. Yeah. It's pretty dope.
Pretty shitty.
And then my water bottle slid this way.
Yeah.
Like, whee! I actually picked it up so you can't see it anymore. That's about it.
Cool.
This place looks really cool. It's so white.
Are you vlogging for your YouTube stuff?
Totally. So this is actually the first like clear view off the mountain we have.
Well, it's not really clear. It's fog, but yeah.
Well, it's snowing and like it's cloudy, so like you can't see anything. Like you look up, there's like nothing. You can get the snowflakes falling on the camera, which looks so dope.
So stoked.
I don't even think you can see them. The lighting's probably terribly.
Pronounce dope the right way.
But you know, almost just fell off the mountain.
Jerry. No.
Not a big deal. Still got my snowball.
Jerry the snowball.
But yeah. So there's a nice cave. I'm gonna go over there right now. Friend, are you gonna join me?
I would join.
So as we're going, we have snowballs, but we're making like a new snowball every time, but like periodically larger. This is a cool cave. There's a water bottle. No snakes. Sad face. But you know, it's nice. Good place for shelter. Got like an overview of the trail. Everyone passes by. Bombardment! Ah! Throw our snowballs down there.
Snowballs and start throwing at people.
Yeah, that's it. Just a cool
I'm
cave.
pretty sure your parents are